I'm here 'cause I'm crying for you, dear. You were always in my hand. Last night I wanted to go, and now she's cold. You were on my lonely mind, and she's mine.
Take your cupboards and take them down.
Yeah.
One drink. Hey, you could count for Grandma now. It'd be on tape. How do you say it in Spanish?
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco.
Yay! She did it! You could say your alphabet for Grandma, or you could sing for Grandma. Could be able to put it in on the VCR and watch you. You want to do that? What songs do you know?
ABC.
I'm going to sing that one. Sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. I like it.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Oh!
Twinkle, twinkle, little turtle. Twinkle, twinkle, little camera.
Little camera.
Twinkle, twinkle,
We don't want you to sing
twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder where you up.
Where are you up? And what comes next? Up? Above.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder where you are.
Oh.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder where you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond outside.
She knows how to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. No, what is it you know how to play on the piano? Mary Had a Little Lamb, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. If Grandma had a piano,
Okay.
you could play Mary Had a Little Lamb. Show all
Here,
these
all of it.
wonderful talents you have. I'm glad you got that part in there, Karen. I'll keep that forever and show her little.
I can't get these bites out.
I think you have to mush it up a little bit. See what's on TV?
Oh, my favorite joke.
Your favorite. Your fave. She saw a little boy on TV today and she goes, "Ooh, what a babe." I said, "Yeah. You could make a big egg with this one."
Why?
Watch.
You make one.
I don't get any of that under my fingernail. Grandma's faucet's drizzling. Okay. Oops. See, the stuff gets in my ring and I can't get it out. Hey, look at that egg. Don't that look good? Delicious. Smells good. It's kind of nice. You can wipe your hands too. I'll start letting you work with the towel, I think. Oh no. I thought you were pretending you were going to have a baby or something. She said to me today, she goes, Mom, I'm getting fat. I think I'm going to have a baby. I said, she goes, I could feel something moving around inside of me. I said, maybe you just have butterflies in your stomach. Oh, that's funny. Nobody has butterflies in their stomach. Here, you better put that yellow one in there before it gets mixed up with the baby. There. Soft towel.
Soft?
Yeah?
Can't do it when it's wet.
It's not wet anymore. Laugh your goofy way. Needle. Like that? Your little eyes get little slits in them. Makes you goofy.
Makes me color. Makes me color. Makes
Makes you color. Okay, there you go.
Okay, bye. Okay.
Help this poor child. Oops. Oh, yes, sirree, Bob.
Help me, Kit. No.
Where'd your pregnant mother go?
In here greasing my lips. You know, when we were at my mom's for Easter, she has, you know, those little dolls in that book that's supposed to look like real babies. You know, they have the real navel things and all that, and the real wrinkles on their skin. She ordered a little boy and a little...
Well, get me some. Marie said, well, get me some. And so she brought him some baby powder, and
Oh,
he
that's
rubs
good.
it all over his hands.
I hate
and
booger.
he said, thanks. And then he takes off her. Well, he gets going home, and boy, the old lady,
Look at the way
she's
she's
waiting
sitting, her
for
legs all
Boy,
twisted.
she's just spitting fire. She says,
Is that
where
comfortable
in the
when you sit
hell
like
have you
that?
been? He says, well, honey, he says, I was coming home from work.
Is
He
it?
says, and there was this girl out on the interstate, flat tire. He said, and it was so damn cold. He says, I stopped and
Oh,
helped her
no.
change her
And
tire.
it
She
looked like
says,
you
it's so
melted,
cold.
wouldn't it?
I live a mile away from here. Come on over. We'll have one drink, get warmed up. And I said, no, my wife's waiting for me.
Well,
Finally, I had to go over there and have one drink, and one drink led to two, two drinks led to three. Pretty soon we got bombed, and she changed into something more comfortable, and come on this section negligee. We ended up in the bedroom screwing, and fell asleep after that. And I woke up at 4 o'clock, and I come right home. She says, "You lying son of a bitch! You got baby powder all over hands. You've been playing pool with the boys."
you know, I stopped over at Stubbs the other day and he had baby powder on a pile of wood out.
If you really
Out
don't
in
want
the
them to
garage.
suspect anything,
Well,
tell the truth.
I asked Stubbs, I
Never
said,
believe
oh,
it.
you must be going out to play some pool, huh, Stubbs? And Lois just started laughing. I thought she was going to pass out. She was laughing so hard.
Say, why don't the two girls
Okay,
stand up
smoosh
side
him.
by side so
No,
we can?
we don't want.
Really? Come on.
And if Mom backs off to the kitchen,
Come on, Ma. Come on.
She already got a picture of me.
Here we go.
Not the good one.
Mine are sore.
Yours are sore.
Yeah,
You mean like the two kids?
yeah.
You realize if she had 2 kids, I'll have 5 kids? That's enough to make you puke.
Jack and Henry, huh?
I think about all the trouble.
No,
trouble
it's
I
Jack
call,
and
I
Leon.
call Dad when I call him and say, "Yeah, Dad, my truck don't run." Imagine 5 of them
All calling, hey Dad, my truck won't run.
Call Grandpa.
He does that kind of thing.
If your guitar is broke, you'll be there. If it's a truck, call Grandpa or Uncle
Yeah,
Scott.
I'm moving.
Let me see mine. Ooh, that one is bigger than the other one.
That makes the yellow mouth.
The yellow mouth?
Wait, nobody's got kid problems like my boss.
No, true.
Hold on each other.
Yeah.
I'll do like this.
You
changing the first dirty diaper.
You don't want a picture of me doing that. Have you seen 3 Men and a Baby?
Got that. We
Hold them
take
up like this and spray them.
That cracked me up with that little,
Oh, it's turkey baster.
yeah. We
There you
laughed
go.
so hard it was, oh, it was funny.
I'm taking the face off, then you can squish them. Okay, squish away.
No, no, you killed them. Oh, no.
Oh, gone.
They're melted.
Is that what happened to him? Yeah. It's kind of a glob.
Really, you're pretty goofies there.
Roving reporter Rick Quincey, and today we're talking to a video specialist, Mrs. Karen Quincey. Now, as
Video specialist.
35 years of repairing, building, and completing your art of video camera mania, I would like to ask you a question concerning video cameras. When you drink like your 3 quarts of vodka a day, could you please tell me if it makes your things blurry when you check them through your viewfinder?
Yeah, it makes my things blurry.
Oh, okay. Now that's very good. Now, okay, also, wait a second. Don't pick your nose while you're on video camera.
You did.
Yeah,
I can prove it.
But I'm a professional. Don't scratch your tit either. What were you doing?
Scratching my belly.
Oh, I couldn't-
Christ, they're not falling down that far
Don't
yet.
make me laugh. You're getting jittery. Now we're going to talk about the dangers of
Just my
smoking.
glasses, I can't see.
We're talking about the dangers of smoking. Do you realize how many chemicals you're putting into your lungs right now?
Yeah.
Bad shit. Bad shit. This kind of looks blurry. Is it? Will it be blurry on when I look at it again?
Yeah.
How come it's blurry?
Not automatic.
Huh?
Around here?
Auto.
There's a little button right underneath the viewfinder here.
You know,
What's that do?
Adjust your eyeball.
Oh, you mean but it'll be okay when I look at it.
Well, if you can clear it up in there, then the picture will be all right.
Oh, okay. Well, now let's talk
Well,
about
actually,
these.
it won't be all right because it's of me.
What about these cigarettes now? Do you think that there'll ever be a chance that maybe you would throw them disgusting things away? Because they really stink, as you can smell by listening to this videotape.
Miracles
Oh,
never cease.
here we go. Here's the man I was looking for. Now, we're talking to Mr. Goodwrench, and we would like to know what you were doing scratching your great big ones on Christmas. I'm
I didn't
serious.
think anybody was looking.
I'm serious, my son. Is that true about you and devil worship?
It's true. It's true. Yeah.
How do you get your hair parted like that?
Yeah, it's just falling out. It's easy.
No kidding. I never met anybody with so much hairspray. Well, this has been your roving reporter talking to Scott Quincey, Mr. Goodwrench, with a toothpick hanging out of his mouth. Were you picking your nose? I'm trying to get everybody picking their nose on camera. Right, there you go. Okay, now the moment you've been waiting for. Okay.
Hi!
Father,
What's your name?
I'm looking down to see if you have a cigarette. Very good man. Very good man.
I quit.
Good man.
If you're gonna make fun of hair, here's something to get right
Ah,
here.
there's
There you go.
Hey, let's not make too much because mine is kind of getting like that.
That's what I'm saying.
Every year there's more forehead there. Must be getting more brains.
Yeah. Your face.
Yeah, another couple of years, you look like
getting
Cap.
taller. Yeah.
Now, I would like to know,
Yeah.
maybe if you were like practicing skiing when you were a kid or
Yeah.
something, or how come your nose looks like a ski slope?
She's lucky, I guess.
Oh. No, we're talking about alcohol consumption. Is that true? Is that true that your brain has deteriorated to the point of no return?
Yeah, that's true. Would I lie to you?
Okay.
Not unless
well,
you're alone or with somebody.
Okay, well, I'm going to go interview somebody else right now. I just
Okay.
love making fools of people.
Bye.
Here we go. Into the living room. Can I shut it off or can I keep going? Ooh, there's Scott's rear end. Ooh, scratching his great big...
Rear-ended twice.
Okay, let's see. Oh my God, I have never seen a belly like that in my whole life. Woo-wee! God. That woman has gained more weight than I have ever seen in my life.
She's
Tell
got
me.
potatoes.
Tell me what happened to your belly button.
I don't know.
Corn
Just
fed.
disappeared.
Yeah, corn fed.
Hell, yeah, no.
My God, girl.
What about me?
Where is she? Oh, there she is. Well, okay. Now, we're giving everybody this once-in-a-lifetime chance. You may already be a winner.
Yeah.
Hi. You may already be a winner. All you have to do is pick your nose and send that along with $7 to the American Heart Association, and your check for $25,000 may already be in the mail.
Here I am again.
Oh.
Do you realize?
Here I am again.
Do you realize that you're Mrs. Quincey? You're Mrs. Quincey, and you're Mrs. Quincey? Wow, freak me out, man. Well, I'm gonna go talk to this other fat
You're
one.
Mr. Quincy. You're Mr. Quincy, and I'm Mr. Quincy.
Huh? Hey, there's that girl again who owns a video camera. Wow.
I don't know, but I sure feel skinny.
Yeah, she always likes to hang around the fat people.
Wait a second, wait a second, wait a second. Woo! Look at that thing. Oh my goodness gracious.
What is that?
Now, oh, there we go. You too can pick your nose on camera.
Oh, she looks
Woo!
like
Look
a
at them teddy bears. Oh my God! Look at that Hummer. Woo! Now,
I
you
think
were
her
in the
belly button's
kitchen.
gonna
I'm
fly
proud of
right
my
off.
belly button.
You were in the kitchen smoking a cigarette,
No, I
and all of a sudden, you put it out. And see, that cough is on video camera.
Good. You like
I knew I had a hand out here somewhere. Well, I guess I'll get done with my interviews here.
Yeah, I hope
Nobody
so.
more to, let's see.
Matter of fact, I found a couple, just the one, you know,
Nobody else to
non-matching
interview.
socks,
Hi, Tilly.
pieces of gum.
Okay.
Must have stuck in there in the middle of the night.
Where you going, Ma? Where you going?
To the bathroom.
All right, that's what I was waiting for.